Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse One here. This video will be going up Monday, the 4th of September 2023, but it is still the 3rd right now of September 2003. I'm going to kind of walk you around a little bit and show you what we've been getting done here. Roy's been a huge help with everything, I gotta be honest with you. I mean, all around here is all weeded now. Around this, and this here is weeded. Around the woodshed, one of the things that we did today, I started bucking up the wood, and Roy was stacking it, so we got it started. And you know, we're not even close to being where we want to be, but we still got quite a bit of wood here to go. But it was ridiculously hot. I mean, it was like crazy hot here. So started working on this and getting this squared away. And so, like I said, tomorrow I'll be working on this some more, and we'll see what we can get accomplished tomorrow. But slow and steady, folks. I mean, slow and steady. We had pulled these off and cut around the tree, or the 3 cherry trees as well. So yeah, it's just so I was going to show you guys this over here. The awnings, there was 3 awnings that had blown over during the course of last winter, when we had the winds, and we had them set up over here, and it was, you know, they'd blow over and they'd get all torn up. That's what's left of those. They are no longer sitting off in the woods here. That's been cleaned up as well. So a lot of work has been done. This obviously still needs to be addressed here, but that's, you know, one thing at a time. But I set this table up because I was actually working on my chainsaw using this table. So that's just set up there temporarily. But the rest of the grass in the lower meadow is completely done now. I'll walk you over here. I'll just kind of show you how that looks now around here. We'll go back over here as well. I still at some point got to get my PN1 sign up. So just so for those of you who know, I said I wanted to get this put up. People are going to, well, then won't people know where you are? That's going to be set up as you come onto my property back here in the woods. So nobody's going to see it other than people that come back here that know where I'm at. That's who's going to see that sign. Everybody else is not going to see that sign. But so this area here is now all cleaned up as well. All the weeds are gone. All the stuff is picked up. That's all squared away. So, you know, things are looking much better. All this is now cleaned up. So just slow and steady. Oh, I got to show you guys something. Look at the back window of my truck. Not sure what happened, but you know, lost the window in the back of the truck, so that was not a good thing. So I'm going to have to be addressing that within a couple of days. But hey, you know, that's what insurance is for, right? But anyway, so all this is cut over here. This is all cut. The entire lower meadow is done. The upper meadow still needs to be addressed. But it's coming along. Everything is looking really good. You know, it's amazing. Oh, so there's some, you see some beer cans down there. We were doing a little target practice yesterday. So, but no, the meadow looks good. It's getting all cleaned up. A lot better. Like I said, I will work on that wood more tomorrow. We'll get that cut up. I'm not going to get any more until what we have there is all cut up and stacked. I was going to pick up more today, and then I'm like, you know what? Let me get what we got here cleaned up first. Then we'll get the next 2 loads. And once we get those next 2 loads, then we'll reload everything. The batteries are in great shape. We had a lot of sunshine today, and so you know, just it's more comfortable now. See, here's the time of night that is the time that is really the time you want to do something, because it's much, much cooler right now. But no, things are looking really good. All the grass here on this flat area has also been cut. We'll walk over here. But very productive day. You know, we'd work, we'd stop for a while, we'd work some more, we'd stop for a while. Roy was cutting over in through here using, the push mower, doing over in this area here. But yeah, like I said, it looks really, really good. Really happy with stuff. I gotta harvest the onions out of here yet. There's always something else to do, but things are looking really, really good. We've been very, very productive, and we will, like I said, we will continue to. Oh, you guys can hear somebody shooting. A lot of shooting this weekend, I will tell you that right now. There was somebody over this way earlier today shooting like crazy. The other day there was shooting over here. Now you're hearing shooting back in the woods this way. We were shooting yesterday as well. So, and that's a cool thing out here. Nobody's running and calling the police and like, oh my God, why is there shooting? What's going on? None of that stuff happens. So this is all going to be addressed. These buckets here, they're going to end up going into the storage unit over here, so that they're out of the way. They're not going to be sitting outside. And like I said, we're just kind of methodically working at stuff. The upper meadow is going to be addressed tomorrow, and so that will be good as well. No, don't you play with that. That's not cardboard. This dog has a fascination with cardboard for whatever reason. She has a trip. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys an update of what was going on here at the homestead. It's been, like I said, very productive. We've been working, steadily getting things done, and we will continue to do so. And it's nice having an extra pair of hands because it helps motivate you as well, and you can get other things done, like the cement mixer that was here. Okay. We literally, because the tires on it were, the one was completely off and the other one was absolutely worthless, we had to pick that up and carry that together. So, I needed somebody that can, do that. With Steve having his shoulder issues because of his bicycle accident, he can't help me that way. So having somebody that can help me with lifting and stuff is good. Literally, the four-wheeler that was sitting here, it took all three of us. Now, see, you may look at this and go, that's not much of a hill right here. But if you're here and you're pushing something uphill, you definitely will see the difference. So it definitely makes a huge, huge difference. But we have perfect weather all week coming up here. We're looking at a possible chance of rain in the forecast on Thursday. And that's going to be like one of those afternoon pop-up showers. So really good week. I know it's going to be pretty warm, so we want to try to get out. Oh, now they're shooting over here again. Nope, that's back here. Anyway, really looking forward to getting more things done, and we will continue to do so. But things are looking good, guys. It's actually looking like a very squared away place right now, which is kind of scary. So anyway, guys, I'm going to jump off of here for right now. Remember, we truly are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we're going to be in much, much better shape. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you are trying to do, whatever you are trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from achieving your goals is you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. All right, everyone, please be safe. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Labor Day, which is going to be tomorrow, but when you see this video, it'll be today. So, and I will also be doing my live stream for my hardcore preppers on Monday night at 8 p.m. If you would like to join us in that, go to my main page on YouTube. You see the join button, hit that, become a hardcore prepper, and you can join us. I do a hardcore prepper member only live stream every Monday at 8 p.m. Okay, so anyway, guys, have a wonderful night. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.